ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।
We can put it to the vote of the assembly.
Okay, it's from 1 to demand number 72.
Yes, sir. I moved the demands. If you can put it to the vote of the assembly, please.
Okay, now I put the motion to the House. Those who are for the motion may say ayes.
Ayes.
Those who are against may say no. Ayes have it, and the motion is carried, and demand number 1 to demand number 72 are granted.
Sir, if I can.
Now laying before the Assembly schedule of authorized supplementary expenditure for the year 2021.
Sir, I rise to lay before the Assembly the schedule of expenditure of supplementary budget for the year 2020-21.
The schedule is laid. Okay.
Sir, if I may move the demands for the main budget, as there are no cut motions, sir.